Hi my friend, it's DEPHEMEREMBER 2024 and we are making a double take that showcases abstract mechanical garden flowers using Luise Heinzel's extraordinary beautiful paper. If this sounds interesting to you, grab your supplies and get ready for some folding. Another day, another couple of prompts for our DEPHEMEREMBER 2024 event. This event is hosted by Barbara from 49 Dragonflies and Luise Heinzel, who kindly host this now for the fourth time. They give us a list of prompts. Throughout December, we are creating ephemera. Creators from all over the world participate in this beautiful event and show their creative processes and crafts online. Today our prompts are a double take and mechanical garden, and I decided to use this paper from Luise Heinzel again, and as far as I understand, these things here are somehow prints from mechanical items she has found while she was moving and created this beautiful paper out of it. I thought this is ticking the box for mechanical garden because it's a mechanical garden flowers. But here I would like to first trace my tag. I found quite a few of these size tags at a thrift store, and they are all coffee dyed, and I used the same size and smaller ones as well throughout my junk journal. And so I thought I would like to use this one here, and I would like to have a little bit of a spine on the side. So I'm using my scoring board here, and with my bone folder just exactly on the edge score it down, and then as it's folded, it's very easy if you have the score line, and then 1/8 of an inch next to it, so that I have a very thin layer of spine for this little double tag, because I thought I could make on the inside of this tag maybe a pocket or something that I can put in this little booklet, more or less, like that I have a double tag booklet and could go from there. So I could just put it next to each other, but I also actually, what I also could do instead of a double tag, because I love this side as the front side, I could make a triple tag. Maybe I'm cutting it here with my cutter. Of course, you can always take scissors or your craft knife, but because I have this cutter, it's very, very handy to use it. And then I can glue that one down using my art glitter glue. And then I go from there and see how I would like to continue folding my tags. Because here I have this spine on the side, and if I just now I just realized now I glued down this tag and I have the spine there, so I can't just fold it over to have the same, like to have it as a sample. Let me grab my journal, because I used the same size of tag before. Here it is, and I can just take that one out and use it as a sample to trace it. I leave this 1/8 inch spine gap and then trace the tab around, and then maybe the next one next to it. But let me see how, maybe if I fold it first to see how much space I have left. You know what? I will use again my scoring board. I find it easier if I just make a clear scoring line. I know it's really straight. Sometimes you might be better than me, but sometimes I find it not so easy to fold it straight. But here I use the scoring board, and then if I use the tack again, I can put it next to it, trace it around, and then just cut it out. And for the cutting out, again, I will use my cutter. That's the most convenient and easiest and quickly done. Just going around, cutting the side and cutting the top of the tag. Yeah. I wonder how everyone is going. Like wow, there's so many prompts, so many videos, and this in a time that is so busy over Christmas. It's like tomorrow is Christmas. Can you believe? Or depending on when you watch this, maybe your Christmas time has already been over, and I hope you had a wonderful time then. It's this time of the year, coming together or not. It's like, I know that for most people it has a significance. End of the year, Christmas, or whatever you might be celebrating at this time. Here with cutting out this, because it is the spine, I need to leave the spine there and can fold it in. I forgot I forgot the last corner, just cutting it off. And now I have a triple tag here. What I would like to do, like first cleaning it up a little bit more, but I think what I would like to do is always going around with my Distress Oxide ink, getting the white of the cut edges, but also getting a little bit the white off the pages. So it was just normal copy paper, and just to get it a little bit more shaded, I like that more. And with all the other tags, I used this ribbon, and I think I would like to use that ribbon again just on the top, which gives it a nice cohesive look throughout the journal. And yeah, I think that looks nice. And even now decorating it with this quote from Marie-Louise von France: "Dreams are the letters of the self." And I will just tear around. Some of you might know this journal is a gift for somebody close to me. It's supposed to be a dream journal, and so I try to use some quotes that have something to say about dreaming. And I looked through the internet and found some, and of course I always love psychoanalysts or people who have something to do with psychotherapy, being a psychotherapist myself. And here, just again going with my Distressed Oxide ink around all the little bits and pieces, and using my glue stick to the first bit of the quote goes to the front, and then the second and third piece on the second and third tab page. Okay, let's have a look, pressing it down, cleaning up a little bit, and finding now the place where this tag goes. This goes back where it belongs, and let's now find the place where we would like to have it. Was another envelope thingy. Here it is. It was a jury response envelope. I have been summoned to jury duty, and so that was my letter. Let's see how it looks the other way around. I think there's something missing on the top here. I think I would like to do a little bit more decorating there. Just gluing one of the labels. I had a pack of this kind of labels, and used some of them before. And as I said, I like it when it has a little bit of a cohesive look. I find it so funny with these tiny, tiny little piece here. I don't know if you know this. Sometimes I have these, no, I would like to have a little bit of extra. And then it is really, I don't know what it is about. Like that, this tiny little snippet makes a difference to me. Like it's, with and without it, it seems to be more finished or so. To put it down there, it gives it more this wackety junk journal look. I don't know, sometimes I can get really precious around these things. Do you know this, or am I the only one who has this? And you see, here's this 1/8 spine, and here's the quote: dreams are the letters of the self that the self writes us every night. And that brings us to the end of our video today. I hope you enjoyed it. You liked watching it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, if you would like to see more of my videos, please subscribe, press the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos. And for DEPHEMEREMBER, look up #DEPHEMEREMBER to see the other creators. Wishing you a wonderful day. Bye for now.